Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stream on Kick Mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Kick app on your Android device, then tap the profile icon located at the bottom of your screen. From there, you go to the channel tab. Here, you'll find details about your channel, including about videos and clips. Now head on settings, but keep in mind full streaming functions on mobile may not be fully available just yet. Then back on the home screen, tap on any live stream to start watching. Some streams may have age restrictions, so just be aware of it. You can also explore the app by clicking browse. This shows categories, live channels, and clips. Streaming directly from mobile is expected to be available soon, so stay updated through app updates. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.